What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you get to subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So getting right to the video, I have another review for y'all. This time, this is a review on another pair of Air Jordan 1. These are called the Atmospheres. So like I mentioned in the Air Jordan 1 crafted review, I picked up a lot of shoes in November, December that I never got around to reviewing. So these are long overdue reviews. You know, like I said, always want to bring you guys my thoughts and opinion to y'all, even though there are plenty of reviews already on YouTube. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. I'm starting to try to incorporate a lot more of my YouTube content on there. Essentially on my YouTube or my Instagram page, I do a lot of visual content, but I don't really include the Instagram portion of it. I did for a little bit when I first started the channel or first started the page, but I'm trying to pick that back up, just trying to incorporate it a little bit more. But getting right into the review, here is the box that the shoes come in. So a little bit different from your typical Air Jordan 1 box. This is a navy box with pink highlights. This is something that I think this is the first time Jordan Brand has done something like this. Also, it's good to mention that this is a woman's pair, so the sizing is going to come in women's sizing. The size tag reads Woman Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. This is a size 9.5 women's, which basically is a size 8 men. Suggested retail is $170 on these, and the color is Atmosphere and Obsidian White. So it's interesting because I had never really heard or seen this Atmosphere pink used anywhere on a sneaker, or even really ever heard of it. So kind of cool that Jordan Brand is digging into the vault to really find these like rare and unique colors. Finally, here are the shoes. And you know, just to mention, when I first got these, I thought they were bricks, just because I haven't really been hitting on Nike or sneakers in a while, so every time I hit on something, I just assume it's bricks, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people do whenever they hit on sneakers. But nonetheless, resale on these is actually pretty high, surprisingly. I believe the StockX price for them right now is between like $260 to $270, I want to say. These are actually going for a little bit, you know, kind of surprisingly, just because I feel like a lot of the Air Jordan 1s that came out in November and December, like the burgundies and the crafted, have no resale value, and I think those are a lot nicer than this pair. But you know, who knows what it could be. Maybe it's the patent leather or kind of like that OG color blocking. However, the more I look at the shoe and just have it in hand, it's actually a pretty fire sneaker. Like, it's basically kind of like that bread toe color blocking, right? But man, this shoe is actually kind of nice. Like, I'm almost kind of tempted to just keep these for the toe. But starting with the sole, you have that Atmosphere pink outsole. I'll say this pink color is actually really clean. It's like a really subtle pink. It's kind of nice how it's almost like not super in your face. Like from afar, it almost doesn't even really look like a pink. It kind of looks like a shade of white. And the one cool thing, which I don't really understand the detail, is this pink highlight right here. It's only on the right sneaker and not on the left. I don't know if this is supposed to indicate like you stepped on a bubble gum or something like that, but that's what it reminds me of. And then moving up, you have a white midsole that wraps all the way around. And if you guys have been watching a lot of my videos, you guys know I am a sucker for Resale off-white midsoles. But I will say the white midsole fits the colors on the shoe perfectly. Like, I could imagine this is a shoe where if you added that sail, it just wouldn't look right, you know? I just feel like this is a shoe where you'd want it to look clean and crisp. And then as always, as you go up onto the actual uppers of the shoe, this is where the fun begins. So the material of the shoes consists of 3 types of materials. The pink portion, the Atmosphere pink, is a patent leather. The middle panel section right here is made of a tumbled leather. Nothing too crazy. And then the navy portion right here, I don't know if you guys can tell that it's navy in the camera, but it's not black. It is a navy, like obsidian color. Is a smooth grain leather. And the shoe has a navy tongue and a navy Nike Air tag with Nike Air in the Atmosphere pink. And another little detail with the shoe is it comes with a Nike Air tag. I found that they started doing this for all the women's pairs that have been coming out, and the spare laces are the atmosphere pink color. So it comes with the navy laces and the pink laces. Personally, for myself, I would keep the navy laces on. And now I'll show you guys how they look on feet. So I hope you guys enjoyed that review. Like I had mentioned in my first review for the year, I know a lot of these reviews aren't really that interesting if I don't have like an on feet portion or like a detailed look, right? Because typically if I'm just holding the shoe right here and I don't give you guys those in-depth look, you guys could really watch any video, right? But I do want to bring more of the on-foot content for y'all, because I mean, I know that's kind of like the selling point for these videos. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about these shoes. Are they a cop or a drop? I'll say if you manage to cop for retail, they're not too bad to have in the collection. They're actually a pretty fire colorway, and I could see this be a shoe that you rock a lot in the spring, summertime. But it's gonna wrap up the video. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.